Hey everyone, Brody here from Planet Surface Team. I'm going to show you a really cool feature in CAD shaping door parts. This can replace a UCS that is previously used in Camera Vision. I'm currently working on Camera Vision 2021 build 489. Firstly, we click on the doors. Then we double click on the door style you want to put CAD on. This is Planet's finger pulling in my case. As you can see, the screen is a lot like the materials that you select in your job. We go over to section and double click. We click on the section again and right click on the door and select edit or the pencil. This is exactly the same window as the cam editor that Ultimate customers would have seen before. We're going to draw a line in this CAD to create the finger pull cabinet. As you can see, it is easy as clicking the line and selecting where you want to go. I'm selecting single line, putting it from one side of the door to the other. Then I click on the line, going over to the length, click the equation area and selecting it. I then press equation, right in there, semicolon dx plus 5 mil. Then I go up to the x value, selecting and typing minus 2.5. I go down to the y value and select the equation tab again. Then I type in the equation part, semicolon dy plus 3 mil. I go down to the depth of the line and select the equation, and then I type in semicolon dz minus 3 mil. Then I go down to the tool and select it to be V-Groove Cutter. As you can see, when you hit return, it looks pretty good. Now I'll show you what it looks like in CV and S2M. So thanks for watching. I hope you can find a great use for this feature.